Okay, all right. So welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you a video how you can use the best strategy for growing your account. It can be volatility 75 strategy. It can also be boom and crash. Before we get started, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, like my video, and hit the notification button. Thank you. And let's get started. Tap on this F. You see all these numbers of indicators. For today, we'll be using stochastic oscillator. Tap on stochastic oscillator. By default, you see all this here. Now let's go to work. You edit it. The first one is 60. The second one is 1. Slowing is 1. Low high, change it to close close. The method is exponential. So you can use 2 pixel or 3 pixel depending on the brightness of your screen. Then the color is green. You can use any color of your choice, but for this video I would like you to use that color so you won't get confused. The next one, 2 pixel, is red. Then by default you see all this here. We have to edit it, which 10, which is sell or you oversold. Then 55, which is wait or you take profit. Then you can also add one. Can add one here. My screen. Can add one here. The next one is 90. Which is your buy or your overbought. And the style 1 pixel. The color is gray. You go back. You click done. You will see something like this. You go back in the same indicator one. Some people make this mistake. Same indicator window one. You tap on this place, the F plus. You look for moving average. There is the second one you're about to use. Moving average. You tap on it. Then you change your period to 10. Your shift to 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close. Then 3 pixel. 3 pixel. And the color is blue. There's no level for this. You click done. You see something like this. Then you go back to your F. Then you click on main charts. Then you go back to relative strength index. Your head of ROSI. That's what you're about to use. Relative strength index. The period is 14. Can change. It's 14. Apply to close. The style is 2 pixel, or you can use any pixel of your choice. But me, I'm using 2 pixel, and the color is white. Then for your levels, your 80 is overbought. You put 80 overbought. Your 20 is oversell, or your 50 take profit, oversold. Take profit. The star is 1 pixel and the color is gray. Go back, click done. You see something like this. You go back again, click on this one. You look for moving average again. The next moving average, the period is 200. And the shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. Style is 3 pixel and the color is blue. There's no level for this. You click done. You go back again. Click on this plus, F plus, in the window 2. Go to moving average. The second moving average. The period is 50. Shift is 0. Method simple. Apply to close. Style 3 pixel. The color is red. There's no levels for this. You click done. You go back to your earth. The third moving average. Tap on moving average. Third moving average, the period is 80. Sorry, 8. The period is 8. Shift close. Method simple. Apply to close. Then the style 3 pixel. The color is green. Click done. See something like this. Go back to your F plus. The fourth moving average. We have 5 moving average for this. 5 moving average. So get ready. The fourth moving average is you click on the period. Period is 21. Shift close. Method simple. Apply to close. Method simple. Apply to close. Then the style 3 pixel and the color is black. You click done. Don't be confused. I will explain it to you. Then the last moving average. The period is 13. Shift 0. Method simple. Apply to close. 3 pixel. Color lemon. This is the color. Lemon color. You click done. You see your chart will be looking like this. Now don't get confused at all. I'm going to explain it to you. Now, in this place now, you see something like this. This is anytime you want to check or you want to buy a market or a sale, you have to pinch your screen. Normally it's like this. You have to pinch your screen to the last. When you pinch it, it will be like this. Then, if this blue in the stochastic, in this first in the indicator window 1, this blue here, if this blue crosses this black, now you see something like this, this blue, it crosses the cell. So when it crosses it, you place a sell. You see the thing increased from here. It increased. So you have the thing bought, the market bought. So if this indicator is always telling you that, the first indicator is telling you that this one is about to sell, this market is about to sell. The second indicator is telling you that this market is oversold, so it's about to buy. So you have to make sure that these two indicators are giving you a go ahead that you can buy, you can sell. You can buy or you can sell. Now you see something like this, the thing has gone up. It's telling you now, sell. When you sell, you see the indicator, it will work for you. I tell you, this indicator is one of the best that has been making more money. Now I would like to show you how this indicator is going to help me. Now watch. Okay. Now I would like you to see what I'm about to show you. First of all, this blue will have to cross the red for you to place a buy or a sell. If you check out this now, the blue cross the red, then you can place a sell. If you look at this side now, this blue cross the red, you place a sell. If this blue cross the red on the downside, you place a buy. If the blue cross the red side up, you place a sell. Now let me show you how this strategy works. Let me use boom and crash 500 index. I'll use 1 minute time frame. Now let me buy. Now you see, I bought is in loss, but it should still go to profits. I'm not afraid of it. Let me look at boom 500 index. Okay, this market is want to sell now. Let me sell. Now you see, the crash 500 index is now in profit. Then the boom 500 index is in profit now. That's cool. That is how the strategy works for me. I looked at the indicator before I place a buy or a sell. Now look at this one. This market is buying, but if anything happens, this market will go down to sell. But let me just take one or two candlesticks in this market and go off. Let me place a buy, take one or two candlesticks and go off. This crash 1000. You see, I'm making profits. I'll just take one or two candlesticks and close it. So this strategy is one of the best strategy, 96% accurate. Look at, I'm making profit. I'm making $14 up to $15 now. So the money is reading. You can also, let me reduce the lot sizes so you won't be afraid or whatever. The crash 1000 index, let me reduce the lot size to 1 to still make profits, but it will be slow. Market is selling. Sell. See, making $23. It's now, I'm sure it will be 24. That is how the money is reading. Now you are seeing I've closed all the markets. Let me close this one. So that is the best strategy. You can see you can also use volatility 75. So you don't know that you don't say it's only boom and crash, but no, I'm entering this market very late. I'm supposed to enter in this place here where this blue cross the red at the top, which supposed to place a sell. So I can't enter this market, but you can trade also in boom and crash. You're seeing? So that's the best strategy to use to trade volatility 75 and boom and crash. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon. God bless you.